Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Kong versus V-Rex surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Kong versus V-Rex surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way it looks like I'm making a birthday card. Next, I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to fold it in half one more time, give it another nice fold right down the middle. Kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing, and I like to turn my paper and open it like this. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Kong over here. So I'm going to begin by drawing the eye. So I'm just going to start by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up and curve. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and around here. And one's just going to curve down. We'll kind of bring this down here. Make a couple little lines here. And then we'll connect it here for the top of the nose. Next, I'm going to bring this up like this. And we'll bring this down here. I'm going to extend this down. And I'm going to leave a little space. I'm going to bring this down and around. Next up here, I'm going to make a really tall pointed line. It's going to come down to here. Make a little pointed line and a little half oval shape for the ear. I like to put a little squiggle in there. Next, I'm going to make this line come down and then in. Then I'm going to make this line come down and we'll curve this up. We'll make this line come over here. And then I'm actually going to make his shoulder. So I'm going to make a little zigzag line that just kind of comes down to here. A little line over to here. Because this Kong kind of walks on all fours more than our new Kong from the Godzilla series. I'll make a little line down here. Now, over here, I want to make the V-Rex. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down and then up like this. And we're going to make a little line that goes down and up. I'll make a line that's got a couple little points on it, like this, for the eyebrow. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down. It's going to come up and then down like this. We'll make a little curve for the nose. Then we'll make a little line that kind of curves around, and we'll just color this part in. Next, I'll make a line that's just going to go down and then up. Then we'll come down and then kind of curve it around here, make it a little bumpy. I want to make this line come out, and we'll put a couple little bumps as we bring it down. Then I'm going to make this line come down and up, and just kind of curve it, and then bring it down here. I'll make a couple lines that curve down. And then a little line that curves up. I'll make a couple lines up here. And then I'm going to make a little line that kind of comes up to here. And then we'll add a couple little lines right here. And I'm going to make a line right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and give each one a little pupil. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and up. I'm going to color in most of this. And I'll do the same thing here, kind of down and up, and then color in most of it. Now my next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once I open this up, I have two halves of my drawing. So let's start with Kong. So I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm just going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve this down. And then we're going to bring this right to here. Then I'm going to draw a line down. And then I'm going to make some little rounded teeth right here. And then I'm going to make a big pointed tooth here. Then a couple more rounded teeth back here. Then right here we'll draw a little line up. I'm going to make a couple little rounded teeth again, and then a bigger sharp tooth right there. And then a couple more little rounded teeth, and then we'll just draw a line down for the gums. We put a couple more teeth here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. It's going to go back up and down for the tongue. Then we'll make a line here. And another line right here for the other side of the mouth. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around. And it's just going to come down to here. Now, over here for the V-Rex, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, then a line that's going to come up. I'm going to draw this line down, but you can see I'm going to make it kind of wavy, and then I'm going to bring this up to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve it down here, and I'm going to make it kind of wavy again as it connects. Now, in each one of these little bumps, I'm going to put some sharp teeth in there for our V-Rex. And then you can always put a couple smaller ones in between some of them. Do the same thing here. We're going to put some sharp teeth. You can put a couple smaller ones in there as well. And a few more back here. I'm going to curve a line up with a couple little extra lines for the back of the mouth. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up and back down for the tongue. Bring a line down here and then another line right down here for the back of the mouth. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then a couple little broken lines and some lines that are going to come up here. Same thing here, a couple little lines and a few little broken lines right around there. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Kong versus a V-Rex surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, we've got this cool looking picture, and then when you open it, their mouths are open and they are roaring at each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.